Will you watch the new movie?
Yeah, I'll watch it.
Will you watch the new movie?
Yeah, I'll watch it.
Are you going to eat pizza for dinner?
Yep, I'm gonna eat pizza.
Are you going to eat pizza for dinner?
Yep, I'm gonna eat pizza.
Will she visit her friend tomorrow?
Yep, she's visiting her friend.
Will she visit her friend tomorrow?
Yep, she's visiting her friend.
Will they study English tonight?
Sure, they're studying English.
Will they study English tonight?
Sure, they're studying English.
Are you going to buy a new phone?
Yeah, I'm getting a new phone.
Are you going to buy a new phone?
Yeah, I'm getting a new phone.
Will he play soccer this weekend?
Of course, he's playing soccer.
Will he play soccer this weekend?
Of course, he's playing soccer.
Will it rain tomorrow?
Definitely, it's gonna rain.
Will it rain tomorrow?
Definitely, it's gonna rain.
Are you going to read that book?
Yeah, I'm reading that book.
Are you going to read that book?
Yeah, I'm reading that book.
Will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Absolutely, I'm learning to cook Chinese food.
Will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Absolutely, I'm learning to cook Chinese food.
Are they going to visit the museum?
Yep, they're visiting the museum.
Are they going to visit the museum?
Yep, they're visiting the museum.
Will she travel abroad next month?
Yeah, she's traveling abroad.
Will she travel abroad next month?
Yeah, she's traveling abroad.
Are you going to call your mom tonight?
Sure thing, I'm calling my mom tonight.
Are you going to call your mom tonight?
Sure thing, I'm calling my mom tonight.
Will they have a party on Saturday?
Definitely, they're having a party on Saturday.
Will they have a party on Saturday?
Definitely, they're having a party on Saturday.
Will you learn to play the guitar?
Yeah, I'm gonna learn to play the guitar.
Will you learn to play the guitar?
Yeah, I'm gonna learn to play the guitar.
Are you going to watch the game?
Of course, I'm watching the game.
Are you going to watch the game?
Of course, I'm watching the game.
Will he finish his homework soon?
Yep, he'll finish his homework soon.
Will he finish his homework soon?
Yep, he'll finish his homework soon.
Will she buy a new dress for the party?
Absolutely, she's buying a new dress for the party.
Will she buy a new dress for the party?
Absolutely, she's buying a new dress for the party.
Are you going to study for the test?
Yeah, I'm studying for the test.
Are you going to study for the test?
Yeah, I'm studying for the test.
Will they go to the beach next weekend?
Of course, they're going to the beach next weekend.
Will they go to the beach next weekend?
Of course, they're going to the beach next weekend.
Will it snow in winter?
Yep, it'll snow in winter.
Will it snow in winter?
Yep, it'll snow in winter.
Are you going to start a new job?
Yeah, I'm starting a new job.
Are you going to start a new job?
Yeah, I'm starting a new job.
Will she get a pet?
Definitely, she's getting a pet.
Will she get a pet?
Definitely, she's getting a pet.
Will he learn a new language?
Sure, he's learning a new language.
Will he learn a new language?
Sure, he's learning a new language.
Are you going to visit your grandparents?
Of course, I'm visiting my grandparents.
Are you going to visit your grandparents?
Of course, I'm visiting my grandparents.
Will they watch the sunrise?
Yeah, they'll watch the sunrise.
Will they watch the sunrise?
Yeah, they'll watch the sunrise.
Are you going to buy groceries?
Definitely, I'm buying groceries.
Are you going to buy groceries?
Definitely, I'm buying groceries.
Will she go shopping this afternoon?
Yeah, she's going shopping this afternoon.
Will she go shopping this afternoon?
Yeah, she's going shopping this afternoon.
Will it be hot tomorrow?
Sure thing, it'll be hot tomorrow.
Will it be hot tomorrow?
Sure thing, it'll be hot tomorrow.
Are you going to take a nap?
Of course, I'm taking a nap.
Are you going to take a nap?
Of course, I'm taking a nap.
Will they have dinner together?
Yeah, they'll have dinner together.
Will they have dinner together?
Yeah, they'll have dinner together.
Are you going to exercise today?
Absolutely, I'm exercising today.
Are you going to exercise today?
Absolutely, I'm exercising today.
Will she watch TV tonight?
Yeah, she'll watch TV tonight.
Will she watch TV tonight?
Yeah, she'll watch TV tonight.
Will he visit his family next month?
Definitely, he'll visit his family next month.
Will he visit his family next month?
Definitely, he'll visit his family next month.
Are you going to bake a cake?
Of course, I'm baking a cake.
Are you going to bake a cake?
Of course, I'm baking a cake.
Will they go for a walk in the park?
Yep, they're going for a walk in the park.
Will they go for a walk in the park?
Yep, they're going for a walk in the park.
Are you going to take a shower now?
Sure, I'm taking a shower now.
Are you going to take a shower now?
Sure, I'm taking a shower now.
Will she meet her friends for lunch?
Definitely, she'll meet her friends for lunch.
Will she meet her friends for lunch?
Definitely, she'll meet her friends for lunch.
Will he buy a new car?
Yeah, he'll buy a new car.
Will he buy a new car?
Yeah, he'll buy a new car.
Are you going to watch a movie tonight?
Of course, I'm watching a movie tonight.
Are you going to watch a movie tonight?
Of course, I'm watching a movie tonight.
Will they go camping next weekend?
Yeah, they'll go camping next weekend.
Will they go camping next weekend?
Yeah, they'll go camping next weekend.
Are you going to clean your room?
Absolutely, I'm cleaning my room.
Are you going to clean your room?
Absolutely, I'm cleaning my room.
Will she listen to music while studying?
Sure, she'll listen to music while studying.
Will she listen to music while studying?
Sure, she'll listen to music while studying.
Will he go fishing tomorrow?
Yep, he'll go fishing tomorrow.
Will he go fishing tomorrow?
Yep, he'll go fishing tomorrow.
Are you going to plant flowers in the garden?
Definitely. I'm planting flowers in the garden.
Are you going to plant flowers in the garden?
Definitely. I'm planting flowers in the garden.
Will they visit the zoo on Sunday?
Of course, they'll visit the zoo on Sunday.
Will they visit the zoo on Sunday?
Of course, they'll visit the zoo on Sunday.
Are you going to write a letter to your friend?
Yeah, I'm gonna write a letter to my friend.
Are you going to write a letter to your friend?
Yeah, I'm gonna write a letter to my friend.
Will she cook dinner tonight?
Definitely, she'll cook dinner tonight.
Will she cook dinner tonight?
Definitely, she'll cook dinner tonight.
Will he play video games later?
Sure thing, he'll play video games later.
Will he play video games later?
Sure thing, he'll play video games later.
Are you going to buy a birthday present?
Of course, I'm buying a birthday present.
Are you going to buy a birthday present?
Of course, I'm buying a birthday present.
Will they go to bed early?
Yeah, they'll go to bed early.
Will they go to bed early?
Yeah, they'll go to bed early.